Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for Gym. Appointlet for Gym is a fantastic marketing channel to get to know your clients better and get them to attend their training. It can help make sure that you're their first pick when something does happen. Starting a dialogue with a single scheduling link enables you to keep in touch with your clients, build long-lasting relationships, and stay top of mind. Appointlet makes it simple to assist your clients with fast online scheduling. Increase client satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Book more customers with streamlined scheduling. Reduce no-shows with automated reminders. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation. Sign up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.